Hi, good morning, everyone. Before I left for work yesterday, I just kind of dropped a hint to Paula. Hey, while you're out working in the garden, maybe you ought to try and film it and make a video. So this video is Paula's first attempt at a solo video. Normally we work together, I film, she talks, I talk, she films sometimes, but this is her first solo video. So please give it a thumbs up and give her some encouraging words down in the comments. And please subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Hello, and welcome to our channel. We're glad you're here.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. As you can see the garden behind me here, we went on vacation last week. Me and the girls did. Or the girls and I should say. Went on vacation, and the garden back here, it got a little bit out of hand. The weeds did. So, today we chipped used the wood chipper and chipped some limbs up. I'm going to go out here and hoe up all the weeds and then put down a bed of these wood chips, hoping to keep the weeds down and try and manage this a little bit. I know my garden is way too big, but over here is the pile of wood chips. I've got the wheelbarrow over here. I'm going to fill it up and go out there and hoe that up. I'll come back and show you, I guess, when I'm done, if I make it. If I make it through the day here. It's pretty warm out, but I need to, these are the tomato plants here. I need to hoe up all this grass, and then I'm going to put down a layer of the wood chips. So I'll get back with you in a little bit here. Okay, it's me again. I have got some of it done. I'm going to show you here. I don't know how much you can really see with it being so bright out here. I'm not putting it real thick, the wood chips. Just enough, I hope, to keep the grass and the weeds down. And then in the fall, of course, we can just till it in. And of course, the peacocks have come out here to inspect my work. I'm only about half done laying the wood chips in the tomatoes here. I've got it all hoed and weeded up. But there we are. There's Mr. Peacock. He's out here. Up to no good, I'm sure. Oh, and there he is. I don't know if you can see the other one. That's the baby from last year. And he's back there eating my blackberries is what he's up to. Can't have nothing nice around here. But I will get back to you one more time here when I've got this all done. Please, if anyone has any advice on a better, easier way to keep these weeds down, by all means let us know. Or any questions or comments, please feel free to do so. Thank you. And there's the finished product. Just the tomatoes, and over just past this first row here, which is broccoli and cauliflower. That's all I've accomplished today here. I'll probably work a little bit more in the garden, but thanks for watching. Once again, if you have any advice or comments on how this may be easier, other than, I know, the rototiller, but we had to order parts for it, and they're not quite in yet. But something that might make this a little bit more or less time consuming and easier, because I know my garden's way too big. But thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.